Hey there, pool party enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things innovative and fun. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the best glow-in-the-dark pool float available right now in the market. The FloVogue Flamingo Pool Float. This isn't just your average pool float. It's a 43-inch inflatable flamingo that not only adds flair to your pool but also lights up your night with its solar-powered LED lights. Imagine your pool glowing with vibrant colors as the sun sets. It's like having your own personal light show in the water. Let's talk features. The FloVogue Flamingo isn't just about looks, it's designed for comfort and durability too. Made from thick, eco-friendly PVC material, it's tough against wear and tear, ensuring it lasts through many pool seasons. Plus, it inflates and deflates quickly, thanks to its dual protection airlock, perfect for spontaneous pool sessions or quick storage. Now, what sets this apart from other pool floats? Aside from its eye-catching design and sturdy build, it's equipped with a cup holder because who doesn't love sipping a cold beverage while lounging in the pool? It even features a comfortable tail rest, making it ideal for those lazy, relaxing days by the water. Users rave about its easy setup, its ability to hold up well, and of course, its mesmerizing glow at night. Practicality meets fun with the FloVogue Flamingo. It's not just for show, it's a functional addition to your poolside experience. Whether you're lounging solo or sharing it with friends and family. Its large size and excellent buoyancy ensure everyone stays afloat comfortably. Don't just take my word for it, here's what some users had to say. To sum it up, if you're looking to elevate your pool parties or simply want to enjoy a relaxing swim with added flair, the FloVogue Flamingo Pool Float is your go-to choice. With its combination of style, durability, and that captivating glow, it's a must-have for any pool enthusiast. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and recommendations. Until next time, stay cool and keep floating.